Introducing self-spanning bridge solutions with EFCO plate girder and super plate girder. Because when it comes to bridge building, simple is best. Nothing in the way, no shortcuts either, just pure self-spanning strength engineered to carry the load. And it's built right on the ground, so assembly is fast and safe, no wasted time. Which means it's built to cycle span after span, pour after pour, again and again and again, without missing a beat. So for cycling bridge caps, EFCO's hinged soffit design makes the whole process simple. Open it, strip it, reset, and get right back to pouring, fast. And it leaves clean, smooth surfaces straight off the form, a better finish every time, with less patching and less rework. But sometimes the job needs something bigger. A lot bigger. That's where super plate girder comes in, with twice the spanning strength of EFCO's standard plate girder. Projects engineered for the forces that come with larger spans, and built for large gang crane handling, keeping big jobs moving right on schedule. And with all that extra strength comes double the pour pressure of EFCO's standard plate girder, double the pour rates so you can pour faster and pour safer. Plus, field service is included, our people right there on your job, ready to help. Engineering's included too, with real answers when you need them. Plus, technical sales support from beginning to end, from the very first estimate to the very last form returned. Want to see it all in action for yourself? Come visit the EFCO Concrete Construction and Forming Institute and train with the best in the industry.
This facility is fantastic. You got great opportunity to learn all the ins and outs of the formwork. You got no production issues where you're worried about trying to be on schedule. You got plenty of time to learn, no pressure environment. And man, like I said, I can't say enough about how well this system is laid out here.
Built on quality, backed by integrity, driven by innovation, and delivered with super service. The result? The lowest in-place concrete cost. Book an Institute demo or contact your EFCO representative today.